Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Vivo X80 Pro smartphone, and in this video we would like to share the top 3 applications for this device. So the first app is Caffeine, and prior to showing what this application is capable of, I want to open up the settings and show you that if you'll go to the display and brightness category, expand the available values for the screen timeout setting, we'll notice that the maximum value that we can set is 10 minutes. So basically, if you would like to set any bigger value or even set it to never, that's when the Caffeine app comes to clutch. So here, upon opening it, we'll see that the timeout section has some bigger values like 30 minutes, 1 hour, or even an infinite value, which one set will make so that no matter for how much time you'll keep your display in the idle status, it will not go to sleep, it will not automatically turn off. So that would be pretty much it for the Caffeine app, I would say. So let's go ahead and move on to the second one, that is called WTMP. That is short for Who Touched My Phone. So here, upon opening it for the first time, we need to set it up quickly. So there is some instructions and well, the basic idea on how this app works. Now we'll go ahead and activate it by tapping on this gray power button. Grant the camera access to the app. The battery usage is, well, optional, so we'll skip that. And it is also required that we grant the usage access to the WTMP as well. And now once we get back to the app itself, we'll see that it, well, came active due to the fact that this gray button turned green and these 2 white lines appears. So what this app does, it imperceptibly takes pictures from the frontal, from the selfie camera of your phone once the screen gets unlocked or there is any attempt to unlock the screen, even if this attempt is unsuccessful. So let's test it out. So here we have the entry which contains the photo that has been taken upon the fact that the screen has been locked. Let's see if we can emulate the scenario once the screen unlock would be unsuccessful. Yep, as you can see, it also contains 2 entries that state the device, the one entry that device was not unlocked, and also contains the respective photo. So if somebody were to unlock your phone or try to get an unauthorized access to it, or if you have any screen lock set and the person tries to guess it, this app will contain the photo, which would be taken from the selfie camera. Alrighty, so moving on to the third and last app, that is called Stick Around. Also a very simple and basic app that allows you to see whether some certain movie, even if it is currently in the theaters, in the cinemas, or even if it's some old one, whether any particular movie contains any hidden scenes, both during or after the credit. So let's say we bought the ticket for the new Sonic movie, and as you can see, it states that this particular film has both after and during the credit scenes, which are worth to stay for. But if you want to get some data on some movie that is not currently at the cinema, or there is some old movie, let's say we would like to get the data for the Dune 2021 film, and in here, as you can see, it clearly states that it does not contain any hidden scenes, neither after nor during the credits. Therefore, well, as soon as the movie itself ends, you can simply close it. So therefore, there is nothing to wait for. So that's basically how this simple and basic app works, and that would be pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.